Hi. Today we are going to discuss about the listing of the small and medium enterprise in stock exchanges. Is it possible for a small or medium enterprises to get the shares listed in the stock exchanges? BSE and as well as NSE provides separate specific platforms for the small and medium enterprises to get the shares listed. We will see what are the basic things which we should know to get the SMEs listed in these stock exchanges. Before that, what are the basic benefits of listing of shares? Listing of the shares will provide an access to the capital, ease of accessing to the capital. So small and medium enterprises are getting an opportunity or avenue to raise the capital through equity infusion. And that fund shall be utilized for the growth oriented activities of the SME. Second benefit is that there is an enhanced visibility and the enhanced prestige for the organizations. The SMEs will get greater credibility, enhanced financial status, which will lead the company shares to a higher valuation. The third will be it encourages the growth of the small and medium enterprise. The major lacuna the SMEs are facing is the lack of funds. When the companies are able, enterprises are able to get listed on the stock exchanges, it provides an opportunity of the growth like through expansion, mergers, acquisitions, and it is more cost effective also. And the fourth will be, the benefit side will be, it enables the liquidity of the, or enhances the liquidity of the shareholders or investors. So when a company shares are getting listed on the stock exchanges, it along with the providing growth opportunities to the SMEs, the shareholders will be able to liquidate their investment at the ease without any much difficulty or without much time, and that is one of the benefits of getting it listed. And along with that, equity financing through venture capital is also one of the major benefit of being listed in the stock exchanges. And there is an efficient risk distribution and employee incentivization is also happening when the company is listed on the browsers. So we will see what are the basic listing criteria for SMEs. One condition is that it should be a company incorporated under the Companies Act 2013 or previous act. And the post-issue paid-up capital should not be more than 25 crores. You may note that 25 crores is a capital which does not include the premium. Suppose the company shares are valued more, the company will be able to raise more money than 25 crores. 25 crores which I have referred is only about the face value of the shares. And this company which is planning to get listed on the stock exchange should have a positive net worth. That is the only condition which is mentioned, not about any specific number or amount of net worth is mentioned. And the company should have a tangible asset of not less than 1.5 crores, which is all basic criteria, which is not too much difficult for the SMEs having growth prospects to accomplish. And the most important aspect is regarding the track record. The company need at least a 3 years track record for this company for getting it listed in the browsers. If this company was a proprietorship or a firm or an LLP which got converted into company, the combined track record will be considered for the purpose of listing. In case this company does not have the track record of 3 years, then the company or a partnership or a proprietary or LLP should have been funded by the banks or financial institutions or central government or state government by way of a grant, or the group company. Group company should be listed for at least 2 years in the main browsers. So that is the case when there is no track record for the company. If there is 3 years track record, it is an easy way for the company to get listed. And the company or the firm has been converted into the company should have the combined positive cash accrual should be there or in any of the last 3 years, and its net worth should be positive. So there should be positive cash accruals, that is cash accruals earning before depreciation and tax, and 3 years of the net worth should be positive. And other criteria or other requirements are that it is mandatory for the company to have a website. Obviously, all these companies will have websites, so that is not a difficult condition to meet. And it is mandatory for the company to facilitate trading in demat securities and enter into an agreement with both the depositories. And there should not be any change in the promoters of the company in the preceding 1 year from the date of filing of the application to the stock exchange for listing under the SME segment. So the promoters change should not be there in the last 1 year time period. And what are the steps for this? To get the shares listed. One is the planning stage. That comes with the issuer company, that is SME, have to appoint a merchant banker in the advisory capacity. That is the step one. And this merchant banker have a lead role to play in this, getting this company listed in the stock exchanges. So this merchant banker will prepare for filing, like before filing, they will conduct a detailed due diligence, that is verification of the financial documents, material contracts, government approvals, promoters list, etc. will be verified by the merchant banker, and they will plan the IPO structure and share issuances pattern and the financial requirements. So these all are the duties and responsibilities of the merchant banker, which will help the company to get the shares listed. And when you see the process, the application procedure is like this. We have to submit, this company have to submit a DRHP, that is red herring prospectus or draft prospectus, through the merchant banker and file with the exchange as well as with the SEBI. And the stock exchange authorities verifies these documents and processes same, and they will visit the company sites also by the exchange officials, and the promoters may be called for an interview by the exchange officials and the advisory committee. And after this, the approval stage will come, where the stock exchange issues an in-principle approval on the recommendation of this advisory committee, provided all the requirements are complied by the company. So once this is done, the filing of the red herring prospectus or prospectus will be there. Merchant banker will file these documents with the ROC, indicating the opening and closing dates of the issue, and once approval is received from the ROC, they intimate the exchange regarding the opening dates of the issue along with the required documents. So next is the public offering. The initial public offering, IPO, opens and closes as per the schedule fixed in the prospects. After the closure of the IPO, company submits the documents as per the checklist to the exchange for finalization and basis of allotment. And last step is the post listing. In that, stock exchanges finalizes the basis of allotment and issue the notice regarding the listing and trading. So these are the basic simple steps for the company to get their shares listed on the BSE SME platform. Similarly, there are certain separate platform for the NSE, wherein there are similar or same criteria is in that aspect also. For a small and medium enterprises, this is one of the best avenues for enhancing their growth or fueling their growth, and all the eligible entities should try to explore that possibility and utilize this opportunity in a better manner. Thank you.